Hey there, Slingshot folks. Today I want to talk to you again about the importance of a clean release. The clean release, I think it's pretty well understood throughout the Slingshot community. In fact, throughout a lot of the marksmanship world, especially archery, that a clean release is the key to consistent accuracy. So one thing I experienced recently at the World Cup in Italy, tell you a little backstory. So my bags were lost on the way to Italy, and I was worried about having my slingshot in my carry-on bags, so I packed it away in my checked bags. Well, my bags did not arrive. And I was freaking out a little bit because, you know, we get used to our slingshot, we get used to our frame, our bands, our ammo combos, and everything I needed was in my bag that had not arrived. Well, 15 minutes before my first official round at the World Cup, my bag arrived. So in my haste, I was putting together a band set, and I didn't realize this until the second day of competition, but I tied my band set wrong, according to most. And this is where it really comes to release. So if you look at the band set here, you can see that the folds are opposing one another. Now, had I noticed that, it probably would have bothered me. However, I shot throughout the first day and maintained myself in the top 10, and shot into the second day shooting pretty well until I noticed this. And when I noticed it, my first instinct was like, oh no, I can't possibly be shooting this way. Then I recalled to myself that I shot the day before just fine with it just this way. So a lot of folks worry about the orientation of the way the bands are tied to the pouch for OTT versus TTF. A lot of people have strong opinions on that. I'm of the opinion that it really doesn't matter as long as you have clean release. A lot of folks say that the bands have to be attached just so to the frame to get good accuracy. Well, I was shooting this mismatched band, and as a lot of you know, I shoot the Axiom Ocularis in a really goofy configuration. My top fork I have at a 45-degree orientation, and the bottom fork I have at a through the forks orientation. I shot that in combination with a band set that many would say is tied incorrectly, yet still shot well. So the long and the short here is a clean release is the key to consistent accuracy. You can have a lot of other things going wrong in your system. I'm not saying that you should try to have things going wrong in your system. Ideally, you should have everything just the same every time. However, with a clean release, these things really don't matter as much. So again, go check out some of our videos that we have on the release. Pay attention to your release and make sure that it's as smooth and as consistent of a release as you can. That's your key to top accuracy, top consistent accuracy. So, most important thing is to get out and shoot your slingshot. Second most important thing is to make sure you're having fun while you do it. Third most important thing is don't fret the small stuff. Focus on the release. You'll shoot better for it. I can almost guarantee it. So thanks for taking a look. Get out and shoot your slingshots.